Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex scalping strategies. Click on the scalping strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello and welcome everyone on this live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today we are going to do some live trades on the live account. I believe the demo account last video is actually a bad idea, but guys, I hope you guys understand the stress that I feel when I'm trading on the live account and I need to explain things. So perhaps in this video I might actually enter the trades and then we'll explain to you the reason behind entering them. But anyway, let's now begin the live trading session. Actually, I started this week with about $1,900. We have made about $106 so far of profit. My target for today is about $250 or $300, which is gonna be hard anyway. Let's see together if I can actually achieve that or not. So I want to increase right now the lot size to be 1.2, which is fine. And now to the whole strategy of my trading style. So simply what I'm going to do is start from the beginning. Usually I start with the pound pairs. That's the reason actually I have placed them right here at the top of the chart. So actually pound pairs can give you a lot of profits. They are actually high volatility and can actually pay you off very well. So let me now see what we can do. So right now I'm on the 4-hour time frame on the pound NZD, which is my favorite pair. And as you can see right now, my friends, I am actually on a resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. That's good. So right now, since I'm actually aiming to scalp the market, scalping meaning I'm just aiming about between I would say about 5 to 15, actually more than that. Actually, I would say about 10 to 25 pips of profit from each trade. So maybe the pound NZD is actually going to continue the rise, but we are aiming or hoping for a reversal since the market is right now actually on a resistance level. So after confirming that I'm on a resistance on the 4-hour time frame, I will switch right now to the smaller time frame, to the 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, we have to find the entry. Actually, using the usage of the 4-hour time frame is very easy. All we need to do is identify a support or resistance, but the 15-minute time frame is harder. We need to identify the perfect entry. Now, as you can see right here, the market actually has formed right here a key resistance level, and this was actually a real level of a resistance. So I believe shorting right. Wait a minute. Don't rush. Don't do the same mistake a million times. Yes, check this out. Actually, my friends, yes, that was one of the mistakes I was doing while recording and talking. The reversal has already happened. Let me just show it to you. So actually, I was planning to start shorting. On this level of a real resistance, we can see that the market actually has created right here a false breakout and again a real level of a resistance, fake breakout, and we can see that this level or level of a real resistance has been respected. Now check this out. The market has already reversed. The market has already reversed on that level of a resistance. Check this candle right here, this wick right here. That wick right here, my friends, is actually about 24 pips, which completes the plans of today, because the strategy called the 20 pips a day strategy. And I really wanted to place a sell order right here, but the reversal has already happened. So I cannot enter a trade right now. I'm actually making a living from trading Forex by finding these pulses, if you can say, the reactions of the candles. I want to see the reaction of the candle once it reaches that level of a resistance. Once the market actually reaches that level for the very first time after the appearance of a false breakout, for the first time, the market will make a reaction and it's gonna reverse, and then of course it's gonna reverse to gain some liquidity, and after that it's gonna continue the rise maybe. So therefore we can see that the market indeed resumed the rise. So selling the pound NZD right now is a bad idea. I don't want to do that. Let me move to another pair. Moving to the pound GPY. Alright, so pound GPY is actually daily chart. On the daily chart, we are not yet at the highest level of the resistance. We are not actually on a support level. This was a support right here. This was a support. So right now we can see that the pound JPY is actually on the middle between them. So it's not ideal to enter any trade. Let me move to the pound CAD. All right, pound CAD is actually on a resistance level. Let me now move to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so for the 50-minute time frame, we also cannot find any good entry right here. What I want to see, my friends, is simply like that. I want to see a resistance level, which has been breaking out from, for bullish one and another bearish one, and then the market rises, and I want to see the market reaches the same level of that resistance, and right here I'm going to place a sell order. That's the setup I'm looking for. That is exactly the thing I'm looking for. So I think we need to keep looking right here and there, 4-hour time frame, then 15-minute time frame. Right now the pound pairs, I think it's not ideal to trade them. Let me see the AUD USD. AUD USD is not in a good sell opportunity right now, I think. We are actually on a previous support level. Let me move to the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame also nothing is good. Guys, to save your time, let me please pause the recording, then I will show you the next setup once I find it. All right, this is perfect. This is perfect. Guys, check this out. Euro USD is right now on actually a previous resistance level, actually it's on a resistance level, which was previously a support, as we can see, and previously also it was a strong real level of a resistance, meaning shorting the Euro USD right now should be good. Now moving to the 50-minute time frame. Now on the 50-minute time frame, we can see that the market actually has reached right here the level of a real resistance exactly right here at 0.97483, which means shorting the Euro USD right now is actually a perfect idea, and done. I have done it. Check out, my friends, the spread, the market. Of course, I need to place the stop loss immediately. 200, 100 should be fine. Okay, as you can see, my friends, the entry was perfect because I'm using IC Markets. Of course, IC Markets is my broker since 2016, and I really trust this broker more than any other broker. I so far have no reason to place to switch to another broker. I highly recommend you guys to try IC Markets. It's gonna change the whole game for you. It is the broker that you're looking for. So anyway, let me just explain to you the reason behind entering right here. So first of all, this was actually a real level of a resistance. We can see this by looking at the fake breakout right here, and then the market has actually reversed exactly on the same level of that resistance. It was also a real support level. It was here a false breakout. It was another 1, 2, 3 fake breakouts has been created right there. Also, not to mention that this was, my friends, right here, a previous support exactly right there at my entry. Actually, I need to draw the line exactly. So this was actually a broken level of a support, and I'm assuming right now on the 50-minute time frame this is gonna become a new resistance. So right now we have to wait for the market to continue the reversal, to complete the reversal. I believe it's gonna continue the fall very soon. I want to use also the resistance trend lines just to confirm my entry. I think it's gonna be a good entry. So as you can see right here, I'm going to draw the resistance trend line, and all I need to do, my friends, is simply drag the very same resistance trend line all the way to the nearest resistance trend line. Also, check this out. So right here we had the resistance trend line, which has been respected again as a resistance trend line. Then we had here the fake breakout, and now again the market seems like it's respecting that level as a resistance trend line. Another way to confirm this is by looking at the support trend line exactly from here all the way. Oh my god, yes, perfect. This is perfect. Let me delete the old one, the resistance trend line. Now as you can see, my friends, we had here a support trend line and another false breakout, number 1, number 2 from that support trend line. And then we can see that the market has actually created here another breakout, and maybe it's a fake one. I'm not sure. I'm hoping it's not. Based on the 4-hour time frame, it's not. So we can see that this was a bearish breakout from that level of a support. So right now the market is actually rising again, retesting the broken support trend line. So eventually what we're having here is a support trend line, and the market has actually made the bearish breakout from it, and right now it's actually retesting the broken support trend line to create a new resistance trend line. As simple as that. Okay, so that's everything. I believe it's gonna be a good deal. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. By the way, I forgot to mention, of course, see, that is the problem of using the live account. So we have actually invested $157 in this trade. That's actually quite a lot, 13 pips. However, for the take profit level, my friends, it has to be placed at the nearest support to my entry. Now, the nearest support to my entry is actually right here. That's, as we can see, my friends, the nearest support to my entry. Now, keep in mind, this is gonna be about 14 pips, which is actually, since actually the strategy says 20 pips a day, we cannot actually aim 20 pips from each trade. This setup right here is actually providing me only 14 pips. I don't want ever to go against my rules. My rule says once you enter a trade, exit at the nearest support or resistance to have a safe results. That is exactly what I will do. I mean, $176 is just awesome. That's actually more than what I want. Actually, I'm gonna close this trade in a profit once it reaches about 70, 80, maybe $100 of profit. But the take profit level there is just for educational purposes. But I will not stick to it. I will close the trade if it goes in profit, actually sooner than that. So anyway, let me please now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as you can see, my friends, it's going in a good profit so far, about $80 of profit. $80. Shall we close it? $2,087 of profit. 82, 103, perfect, fantastic, done, I'm done, perfect. And as you can see, the candle has just been closed. Fantastic. I'm very happy about the profit that we have made, about $94 of profit in just less than 10 minutes. That's why I love trading Forex. Very good. I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. Every time I make a profit, I really get thrilled. I'm just so happy about it. It's good. Okay. So today I have made $204 of profit, which is really fine. I think it's not a bad idea to make it another 100 if possible. Of course, we cannot force the trades. Of course, my friends, I could have actually stayed in this trade, but I really don't want to. Let me just tell you something, by the way. The Euro-USD signal, which I have sent you last Saturday, is active, and as you can see so far, it's running in about 18 pips of profit. Pound USD is still ranging in the safe zone. AUD-USD is also triggered, and we can see running in 3 pips of profit. USD CAD is ranging inside of the safe zone. USD JPY, of course, rising and almost hit the take profit level. USD CHF has also been triggered, and as we can see, running so far in about 21 pips of profit. Gold has been triggered and running in about 10 pips of profit. So I could actually have stayed longer in the Euro-USD trade, but I just want to scalp here. I'm not aiming for a swing trades. I'm just aiming for scalping, and that's it. So I'm just keep searching here and there, hoping to find a good deal. Allow me please now to pause the recording, guys, and I'll be back to you once I find the next setup. Alright, I believe we found something here for the EuroCAD. As we can see, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame, the EuroCAD is actually right now on a support level. So let me now switch to the 15-minute time frame to see something. So as you can see right here, exactly right there, exactly right there, hurry up! And I place the buy order. Place the stop loss first of all, $150, $166. Of course, you have to think of the stop loss as your investment in this trade. So let me just tell you something. I had to place my trade right here, my friends, for one simple reason. That on the 4-hour time frame, we're actually facing right now, first of all, a support level. This was actually a support number 1, and right now the market is on a support number 2. So that's a valid entry. Check this out. We're already in good profit. $46. Nice. Now 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that right here, my friends, we had a strong support level, which has become also a resistance for only very few attempts. And later on, the market has already created here the bullish breakout from that level of a support. And right now, that support level is being respected. I'm very happy about that because we can see that the market is respecting, oh my God, $61. Okay. Sorry, I don't mean to be overreacting, but I'm just really happy when I'm making some profits on the live account and, of course, live trading and recording to post it on YouTube. Of course, my friends, the take profit level has to be placed right here exactly at the nearest support to the entry. So this was actually a new support, and this is the nearest support to my entry. But actually, I'm looking at the profits. $88, $88, $86. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. Wow. Wow. Very, very good. Very good. So we have made $290 profit from this for today so far. I mean, check this. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. The reaction. Do you see the reaction of the candle? That is exactly what I'm looking for. Always aim for the first attempt. Once you see a previous support level being respected and the market is already going toward that level of a support, aim for the reversal, for the shock of the candle. The candle will show you, will actually create here a shocking. It will be actually, it's like touching this level. The market is falling down. Then once it reaches that level of a previous support, it's gonna actually, like zzz, if you know what I mean, it's like reaction. Okay, careful, there is a support here. That is exactly what I'm aiming for. Maybe the market later on will continue the fall. I don't know, and I don't care, as long as I have made a profit from this reaction. I cannot find any better way to explain it. Actually, guys, to be honest with you, I'm really done for today. $290 of profit. That's actually more than what I planned for today. I actually was aiming $250, but I have made $290 off today. I'm gonna stop trading for today. I'm done for today. That's about everything. I hope you guys have learned few things from this live trading session, and you can actually do the same on your platform, on your account. Don't forget, of course, to check IC markets. They can give you the best spreads you have ever seen. Trust me, my friends, when I say IC markets is really the best way to have best results in your trading and in your scalping. So anyway, I will see you guys on the midweek analysis video. And until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.